Oh my goodness. Do any of you know what these are? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of these reusable, should we call them water balloons or water balls?
I think they call them water balloons on the package.
Reusable water balloons. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. All right, Greg, show me how they work.
So it's really, oops, I splashed already. It's really easy. You just take them and you close them underwater and they're full of water.
So they have like a little magnet that holds them together.
And then when they hit, it just all splashes out.
That's so cool. They are really neat. We've learned a few things about them, that you cannot whip them. They will probably explode in your hand. Maybe if you held them in the right spot, you could.
Maybe, but you don't want to whip them at people anyway.
Right.
But then pop open when they hit.
I'm gonna throw this one on the cement so you guys can see. Ready? Just like that. That's so cool. And they just magnet together.
The other thing I noticed is if you fill them all the way, they sink.
Oh, okay.
So you could go in the water and get them, and
right. And of course, you don't have to play with them in a pool either.
No,
you can play with them however you want.
you can also just give them a little bit of air, and then they'll float.
Then they float. They are really cool. I love that the little pieces, like when you play with water balloons, you get those little pieces that like kids and pets can choke on. I like that these don't leave that behind. And they're durable. Like this is a thick rubber or whatever this is. It's pretty thick. Yeah, you can see Greg stretching it out there. That's so cool. All right, we'll have to get the dogs and throw a couple at the dogs. Throw it at Jamie!
I'm going to show you what it does to all. And they're really easy to refill.
Yeah, that's the nice part. They're really easy to refill. Look out!
Oh, that one didn't have any water in it. I think that's the fun thing, is try to catch one.
Yeah,
Try
here.
to catch one without a pop.
Here you go. I'm gonna set this here. Go ahead, throw it at the camera.
At the camera?
Yeah, throw it right at the camera.
Nope. I don't think I'll be able to hit it.
Oh, what you got? Look at that! Do it again. Yeah! Look, you can play with water balloons.
Here.
Kira's like, whoa, I got wet.
Girl. Is that fun?
It's like, whoa, this is neat. Oh, we're going to fill up some more. Fill up the water balloons. Okay, those are pretty cool. The fact that we could play with water balloons with the dogs is pretty cool. Oh, what do you think of that? Catch it. Yes! Can I see it? Look at now I want to look at it. Come here. Look, she just had that in her mouth, not a hole. That's pretty cool. Memphis is like, and I'm out. Yeah! Good job! She's like, the ball popped. What happened? I like that they're thick enough that she's not popping them either.
Nope.
Like this one? I'm taking this one. Is that the one?
Pooping it.
Are you booping it under the water? She's like, oh wait, I stepped on this one. Hold on, maybe I dig it out of here. Is that the coolest thing? Are you really sticking your whole face in the water? It's just a little bit too deep for her to hold her breath and get it out from under the water. Eleanor, look, what's this? What's that one? Get that one. She's like, I'm going for it. Maybe not. Change my mind. Whoa! She's digging for it. She's like, oh, get it.
Ready?
Get it. Yeah, good job. All right, I think the water balloons are a win. Yeah, that's a win.